librarian here at Elyria Public Library South Branch. In today's Tween Twist, we're going to use an item from our special collections. Did you know that you can check out more than just books from the library? We have a special collections of like cake pans and board games and even a friendship bracelet maker. So we're going to make a friendship bracelet. So if you want to check this out, you can go to our website. Under services, the third tab down is special collections, and that will take you to the link in the catalog, and then you can pick it up at your favorite branch. And so inside is a bracelet maker. So you're going to take strings in whatever color you want, kind of fold them in half, and then make a little knot up at the top. And then you're going to use this to hold your loop. And then you can put each string, these are numbered 1 through 10, so you can have up to 10 different colors if you wanted. And then you're going to put each string in each little holder. And then what you're going to do to make it comes with instructions, and then it also comes with an app, which I'll show you in a second. But it has instructions on how to make a right hand double knot, which is like the most basic step. So I'm going to show you that real fast. So with strings 1 and 2, you're going to hold string 2 tight, and then string 1, you're going to cross over like a 4. And then you're going to go under, pull it through, and then all the way up. And then you'll do that on every string with string 1. And then on the end, string 1 becomes string 10. And then string 2 becomes string 1. So then I'm going to show you all that you can do with the app. They have lots of cool, the app is called Knot It. And then it tells you how to set it up like I just did. It tells you several more basic knots besides the right angle knot that I did. It tells you how to end the bracelet. It gives you fun patterns like arrows, clouds, even an advanced pattern of soccer balls. And then it'll also take you to some of their other things. So for patterns, you would just hit beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And then if you wanted to make like a mini heart, it would just take you to a YouTube video that they've made on how to use their product. Okay, it takes about 20 minutes depending on your speed and if you have made friendship bracelets before, but you'll keep braiding and braiding and braiding, and then you'll have a bracelet. You'll take it off, make sure it's long enough for your wrist, and then you'll tie off the end, and then you can slide the knot through the little loop, and there you have a fun braided friendship bracelet. So thanks for watching this Tween Twist today. Stay tuned to Elyria Public Library YouTube channel for more virtual programs. Thanks. Bye.